Do your ankles and feet feel puffy and uncomfortable after a long day of standing or sitting? You're not alone. So many of us deal with this discomfort. The good news? You don't have to just put up with it. In this video, we'll explore 10 helpful remedies for swollen ankles and feet. From herbal treatments to quick lifestyle tweaks, these tips will have you feeling more comfortable and ready to get back on your feet, literally. So, if you're tired of dealing with that annoying swelling, stick around. You won't want to miss these game-changing tips. Let's get started and take the first step toward relief. Let's kick off our list with the power of nature, herbal remedies. To relieve swollen ankles and feet, try parsley, dandelion, and ginger. They are nature's potent healers with a history in traditional medicine. These herbs act as natural diuretics, which means they help your body get rid of excess fluids. Removing the excess balances your body fluids, which reduces swelling and chronic pain. But beyond their diuretic properties, these herbs also come with an array of other health benefits. Parsley is rich in flavonoids known for its detoxifying effects, aiding in removing heavy metals and other toxins from the body. It's also great for promoting bone health due to its high vitamin K content. Dandelion, on the other hand, supports liver function, acting as a natural detoxifier and promoting healthy digestion. Finally, ginger's antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, which is linked to chronic diseases. Include these herbs into your diet by brewing a tea with fresh parsley, dandelion leaves, or ginger. Just steep them in hot water for about 10 minutes. Next up is cold therapy, an easy, accessible, and highly effective method you can implement right at home using everyday items. Cold therapy reduces blood flow to the swollen area. This, in turn, reduces inflammation, relieves pain, and speeds recovery. How does this happen? Cold temperatures cause your blood vessels to constrict, which helps to limit fluid accumulation in the affected area. Additionally, the cold numbs the area, providing almost instant pain relief. It is an excellent first line of defense against acute injuries. These include sprains, strains, or any situation with swelling and pain. Research in the Journal of Physician and Sports Medicine shows that cold therapy joined with mild compression is highly effective for reducing acute swelling and pain, particularly in injuries like sprains or strains. The beauty of cold therapy lies in its simplicity. If you have a cold pack on hand, that's ideal. However, a bag of frozen peas or a similar item wrapped in a towel works just as effectively. The key is to apply the cold compress to the swollen or painful area for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat this several times a day and do it especially when swelling increases or pain flares up. Just ensure there is a barrier, like a towel, between the cold source and your skin to prevent frostbite. At number 8, we have dietary changes. The foods you eat also play a crucial role in managing swelling in your ankles and feet. High sodium foods can cause your body to hold on to extra water to balance the sodium. This causes your ankles and feet to swell and look puffy. To solve this problem, it's best to consume foods high in potassium. Potassium helps your body flush out excess sodium through your urine. A study in the journal Nutrients highlighted that reducing sodium and increasing potassium intake can significantly lower blood pressure and reduce fluid retention, especially in people with hypertension. This balance between sodium and potassium is key to managing swelling and maintaining overall fluid balance in your body. To do this, start by cutting back on processed foods, which are often loaded with hidden sodium. Instead, reach for fresh fruits and vegetables. Foods like bananas, oranges, and leafy greens are particularly high in potassium and can help reduce that pesky swelling. Next up at number 7 is massage. Massage can be very effective as it reduces swelling in your ankles and feet. It does this by improving circulation and encouraging lymphatic drainage. Massage works wonders by targeting one of the root causes of swelling, poor circulation. The gentle pressure boosts blood flow, which enhances the removal of waste and toxins from your body. A study in the journal Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practice found that manual lymphatic drainage is effective in reducing swelling and discomfort. The study also found that foot massages can be useful in reducing edema in pregnant women. Use a firm but gentle touch and focus on massaging from your toes up toward your calves. This upward motion helps guide the fluid away from your swollen feet and back into your circulatory system. Doing this will give you both immediate and long-term relief. You can use a bit of massage oil or cream to make it more comfortable and enjoyable. Even just massaging a few minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. It's also important to note that massage improves flexibility, reduces muscle tension, and can leave you very relaxed. Coming in at number 6 is hydration. It might seem counterintuitive, but staying hydrated is one of the best things you can do to reduce swelling. When you are dehydrated, your body goes into conservation mode. It holds on to every drop of water, which often causes swelling. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out excess sodium and toxins. When you're well hydrated, your kidneys can remove excess sodium to reduce swelling. According to a study in the journal Biomedicines, adequate hydration is essential for managing fluid retention and reducing swelling in the lower limbs, making it a simple but powerful remedy. So make it a goal to drink at least 8 glasses a day, that is 64 ounces or 2 liters of water. But if you're active or it's particularly hot outside, make sure to drink more. You can also snack on water-rich foods like cucumbers, melons, and strawberries to boost your hydration. To make hydration a habit, carry a reusable water bottle or set reminders to drink water. You can also infuse your water with fruits and herbs for a refreshing twist. At number 5 is exercise. Exercising is one of the best ways to keep swelling at bay and promote overall health. It boosts circulation and prevents fluid from pooling in your legs. Focusing on leg workouts helps pump fluid from your legs back to your heart. It reduces swelling and prevents it from returning to your extremities. A study in the same journal, Biomedicines, revealed that regular exercise, particularly aerobic and resistance training, can significantly reduce edema in the lower limbs, making it a must-do for anyone prone to swelling. Don't worry, you don't need to run a marathon just to improve your blood circulation. Instead, you can do simple exercises like walking, cycling, or swimming. Even gentle movements like leg lifts or ankle rotations can help if you're stuck sitting for long periods. Exercising also improves mood, makes your heart strong, and reduces body weight. So include this in your routine to improve your overall health. Next up at number 4 is magnesium supplements. Magnesium is like a magic mineral when it comes to reducing swelling. It's vital for muscle function and fluid balance. So if your body lacks magnesium, it can cause fluid retention. Why is this mineral so important? Well, magnesium has anti-inflammatory properties and can relax your blood vessels. Magnesium is also helpful for people suffering from hypertension. Studies show that one cause of swelling is magnesium deficiency, which can lead to heart diseases. Before taking magnesium supplements, consult your doctor first. For 51 years old and above, the recommended dietary allowance is 420 milligrams for males and 320 milligrams for females. If you choose to get magnesium from foods, you can get this nutrient from spinach, almonds, and avocados. It is a great addition to your diet since it also relaxes your muscles, lowers migraine risk, and strengthens bones. Coming in at number 3 is Epsom salt bath. There's nothing quite like soaking in a warm bath, especially when it's mixed with Epsom salt. This age-old remedy is rich in magnesium, but instead of getting it from your food or supplements, it is absorbed through the skin. Just like the supplements, magnesium in an Epsom salt bath also helps reduce inflammation and boost circulation. A study in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research found that magnesium sulfate, Epsom salt, is a highly effective home remedy for swollen feet and ankles. If you plan to use Epsom salt only for foot swelling, add about 1/2 cup or approximately 118 grams to a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. For an all-over treatment, dissolve 2 cups or about 475 grams of Epsom salt in a full bath and soak for at least 20 minutes. It's the perfect way to unwind at the end of the day. Nearing the top of our list are compression socks. Compression socks may not be glamorous, but they are great for reducing the puffiness of your feet. These socks apply gentle pressure to your lower legs and help promote blood flow and reduce fluid retention. This helps push fluid from your legs and back to your heart. Over time, you will see that your feet return to their normal size and your discomfort will be reduced. A study in the Journal of Clinical Medicine found that compression socks are highly effective in reducing lower limb edema for people who stand or sit for long periods. If you will use compression socks, wear them during the day. This is important, especially if your work requires you to stand or sit for long periods. Make sure to choose the right level of compression, usually measured in millimeters of mercury, as too much pressure can be uncomfortable. Doctors recommend a compression of 15 to 20 millimeters of mercury for mild relief from swelling. However, it's best to consult your healthcare provider to know which compression level and sock length are the best for you. It's also important to monitor your feet while wearing compression socks, as it may worsen circulation when the pressure and sock size are not right. At the top of our list is a simple but effective remedy. It is elevating your feet. This simple exercise is a quick, easy, and effective way to bring down swelling. With the help of gravity, elevating your feet moves excess fluid out of your legs, reduces pressure in your veins, and improves blood circulation. A study in the Journal of Vascular Surgery found that elevating the legs for 30 minutes significantly reduces swelling and discomfort in patients with venous insufficiency. To do this, lie down and prop your feet up on pillows or rest them against a wall for at least 20 to 30 minutes. At night, you can elevate your feet just by placing a pillow under your legs. Consider making this a regular part of your routine, especially if you've been on your feet all day. Elevating your feet can reduce the risk of varicose veins and can make you feel relaxed after a long day. So there you have it, 10 helpful remedies for swollen ankles and feet that you can easily try at home. Whether your swelling comes from inactivity or a health condition, you can use these remedies to relieve swelling and chronic pain. However, if your swelling persists or has other symptoms, consult a doctor immediately. It's important to rule out any serious conditions. Now, we love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these remedies to reduce swelling? Let us know which one works best for you. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Also, please consider showing your support with a super thanks. And don't forget to check out our merchandise for some cool stuff. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.